When he opened Tesla Gigafactory, remember this 7 years ago? I'll just tell the audience a story quickly, Elon. He puts a slide up there and he says, guys, we're not actually building a factory, we're building a machine that makes machines. And he puts the layout of the factory and it looks like a chip. And it was basically like how you would actually lay out a microchip if you were, or you were like a layout engineer. It was the craziest thing I'd ever seen. And I was like, that was when I first got it.
This is the machine that builds the machine, and it's the latest version of the machine that builds the machine. So I've said it before, but the factory is the product. Prototypes they require imagination and they're not easy, but relative to production, prototypes are easy. Production is hard, and this building is the most advanced car factory that Earth has ever seen. Alien technology. This is exactly. You know, a factory is advanced if it feels like an alien dreadnought landed. So, the team's doing great work in Fremont, California. But we took a lot of lessons learned from that, where the buildings were all separate. There's a lot of movement between the buildings, and the thing that we thought makes sense is to really think of it like a chip, like an integrated circuit. Combine everything together in one package, and now this is what you get. So this is a case of raw materials come in one side, they get formed into a cell, they get formed into a pack, then we cast the front and rear body. The pack itself is structural, and out comes a finished product. So it's raw materials in one side, cars out the other side. Yeah.